It's Sunday the 19th of June 2016. This is a chart update for Resolute Gold. Resolute's been just a tremendous performer this year, probably up of the stock or gold stocks up in that 300,000 ounce category. They've really outperformed. They were on the start of February. They were still trading at about 30 cents. So this stock has really rocketed up 300% in a space of about 4 months. I'm a little bit cautious now. I think it's really sort of normalized from those ridiculous levels. It's really sort of normalized with the gold price now. I'm not completely certain about their forward production. They've got their mine at Syama in Mali doing well, but other than that, I mean, some of the Queensland mines not. I think there was talk about putting it on care and maintenance, but they were looking at getting some new resources there, new reserves from one of the older pits, I think. So I have to do a bit more research there, but I'm not entirely confident that they've got that good sort of production profile going forward. I mean, Syama has also got an expansion project, which is a while away, I think, for underground. So until that, it's still going to. I think it's going to go up well with the gold price, but I think some of the outperformance it's seen this year is probably going to evaporate a little bit now that there's might be some better opportunities somewhere else in the sector. Something like Perseus, which is still has to undergo that recovery that Resolute had to after that sort of 12 months. Perseus has had its own sort of basing period, which it's starting to crack out of now. So I'm probably a little bit more inclined to look at Perseus. I think there's probably more upside there. On the chart, you can see I've sort of highlighted this area here as a potential resistance zone. You can see if we extrapolate that was sort of the base of this previous trading range was around this $1.20 level. You can see that was also where it cracked through in 2013 with the gold price falling. So we've reached that point now, and I think there's a good chance we'll see some consolidation here. Without the gold price running further, I don't see how Resolute can keep going up with, now it's sort of normalized back to probably where it should be. I think this is probably a point where it starts to consolidate a little bit. I can't see this trend continuing, but I think it's still a good play on the US dollar gold price, which I'm still fairly confident is in a bullish trend for the remainder of this year. And beyond, but I'm probably more inclined to look at other opportunities ahead of Resolute at this stage.